Hi, does this Xiaomi Redmi Watch 5 active waterproof? So, the short answer is yes, you can indeed swim with this watch. It boasts a 5 ATM water resistance rating, which makes it suitable for swimming and other water activities. Interestingly, the watch includes specific workout modes for water sports, although finding them may sometimes be tricky due to the interface or software issues. In case you encounter any difficulties, a device reset might help. Additionally, there is an option in the settings to eject water, ensuring optimal performance even after exposure to water. So I have found this information on the official me.com website. Here you can check that your watch has 5 ATM water resistance rating. And now let's do a little bit water resistance test. So I got here this glass with water, and now let's insert the watch in it. So it is fully in the water. Let's just take it out, shake it a bit like that. And yeah, it's working. So also if you swipe up from your watch face, here you would see this icon, which is for ejecting water. Let's tap it. And now it is clearing the water, and after that we will need to shake the watch and it would be ready to go. So let's just wait a couple of more seconds till it clearing the water. And now we are shaking it a bit like that, and that's it. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.